In another decade, fireworks will be a thing of the past. As these drone shows are becoming so lit, you can't help but call them fire.
Oh, look at that.
Shaking it right to the top, straight to what the DJ drop. We made a